There is quite a lot of updates going on 1688 China shopping app. So if you are shipping from China using 1688 shopping app, consider to watch this video from the beginning to the end and pay proper attention to current update that is going on 1688 shopping app so that you don't get confused when you are trying to source for products or when you're trying to source for items from China and ship to whatever country of your choice. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see some of the current update that is going on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, it's over pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business like this. So with that being said, so let's get started and see some of the current updates going on 1688 shopping app and how you can navigate 1688 shopping app. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your 1688 app. So I'm going to click on it right away. All right, so from the very home page right here, there are a lot of things that is changed. So I'm going to explain them to you one after the other. So from the top right here, we have what we have right here is recommendation tab. Right here is when you are looking for factory, and right here where you are looking for industrial products such as machine and equipment. All right, so from that, and let's move to another section. Right here is what we call everyday sales, and right here is merchant festival, and right here is where you are sourcing for a latest product. Okay, so that is for the tab. Okay, and right here has to do with classification. So under this tab here, you have products in different category, such as shoe in a category, electronics in a category, phones in a category, etc. And some of the tab right here, we have men's shoes at the top right here, and the next to it here we have boys shoes, and the next to it right here we have man casual sports shoes and etc. So things like that. So let's take a look at some of the column and right here. So under this section right here we have wholesale shoe. So if you are looking for wholesale shoe right here, so you have to make sure you click on here, and a lot of wholesale shoe is going to display under this section. And the next section right here is baby clothes. So if you are the kind of people that shop baby clothes, so this is where you need to source for baby clothes manufacturer. And from the point right here, this section right here is where you are looking for direct factory. You want to procure direct from factory, so you have to click on here. And then the sub section right here is a section that deal with brand placement, shopping mall. So it's just as if you want to enter a lot of stores. So that is for this particular section. And then some of the key, some of icons at the bottom right here has changed drastically. So from the very first one right here is your home page, and then the next to it right here is live broadcast. And the next to live broadcast here is what we call news, and this is not really important. And the next to it right here is where you have all your items in cart, and the next button right here is your profile. So when you want to access your profile, so let's take a look at what is really changed on 1688 shopping profile. So if I click on here, it takes me straight up to my profile. All right, so there is nothing really much change on profile interface on 1688 shopping app. So right here, we still have our unpaid section, which is the same. It's just that the icon changed a little bit. Right here, we have a product that is not yet to ship out by the supplier. So the icon changed a little bit also. Right here, we have a product on transit. The icon changed also. Right here, we have a product that we have already received, and it's seeking an attention for a feedback. Okay, and the very last icon right here is where we have our refund tracking process. So all these still remain the same in a sequential order, just like what you have it in a previous fashion. And right here, the icon are the only things that change in this section. Now let's quickly scroll down. Okay, so at this point here, we have our favorite tab right here. So favorite tabs work in such a way that when you are searching for products on 1688 homepage or using your search engine, you click on favorite. So all the favorite product is going to be found right here. So that is what this tab work for. Okay, and another great thing that has changed recently on 1688 shopping app is this particular icon right here, which has to do with communication with 1688 customer support. So if you want to contact customer support, this is the right icon that you need to click, and then you follow up. Then the next to it here is where you had your shipping address. So you can see the icon has changed also, and it has been modified. And one great thing about this particular shipping section here is that it allows you to modify your shipping address now, and also it allows you to switch from one shipping address to another shipping address. So let's, for instance, if you want to change a shipping address, what you need to do is to just click on the icon right here, and then it take you to all the shipping address you have in your account. So if you want to switch from one address to another, what you need to do is to just click on the top right here and switch the address. If you want to add a new address, so what you need to do is to click on here and add a new address. So let's quickly go back home page and see. So this is what I have for you as far as just recent update about 1688 China shopping app is concerned. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taobao on Pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.